Today we unravel the secrets to leveling up your lifestyle. Now, if you've ever wondered how to exude that timeless charm and sophistication, you know, the kind that makes people turn their heads, well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of smelling like old money, and trust me, it's not just about the cologne. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our lifestyle-enhancing content. The old money style. Now that you've refined your wardrobe, it's time to delve into the exquisite world of fragrances to truly embody that timeless, old money style. Just as your clothing speaks volumes about your taste, so does the scent you choose. Let's explore the olfactory magic that will undoubtedly elevate your ensemble. Choose classic scents. Old money style is synonymous with tradition and sophistication. Opt for classic fragrances that have stood the test of time. Scents like vetiver, sandalwood, and leather are timeless choices that exude luxury, subtle yet memorable. A true gentleman's fragrance should be noticed but not overpowering. Aim for scents that are subtle, leaving a lasting impression without being too intrusive. Think of it as a whispered statement rather than a loud declaration. Invest in quality. Much like your tailored suits and handmade shoes, invest in a quality fragrance. High-end brands with a rich history often offer scents crafted with precision and care. Look for well-established perfumeries that have been synonymous with luxury for generations. Layering techniques. Old money style is all about layers, and this applies to fragrances too. Consider using complementary scented grooming products like soaps, shaving creams, and aftershaves. This layered approach adds depth to your overall scent profile. Seasonal sensibility. Understand the art of choosing scents based on the season. Light, citrusy fragrances work well in the warmer months, while deeper, woodsy scents are perfect for the colder season. Adapt your fragrance to the climate for a well-rounded and thoughtful approach. Signature scent. Establishing a signature scent is the epitome of refinement. Find a fragrance that resonates with you and becomes your olfactory signature. This consistency creates a lasting impression and adds a personal touch to your style. Let's dive into the crucial realm of personal hygiene. And trust me, it's more than just a quick shower. It's about doing it right, with a touch of sophistication. So, ditch the cheap stuff and pay attention to the details. Natural ingredients matter. Elevate your shower experience by opting for body washes with natural ingredients. Steer clear of overpowering scents that scream budget and instead, go for subtle, sophisticated options. Natural ingredients not only cleanse but also nourish your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and refined. Soapbox shower gel, coconut milk, and sandalwood. My personal recommendation for a game-changing shower experience is the soapbox shower gel with coconut milk and sandalwood. This combination offers a subtle yet invigorating scent, and the natural properties of coconut milk leave your skin feeling moisturized and revitalized. Trust me, it's a step towards grooming nirvana. Mindful showering technique. It's not just about the products, it's about the technique. Take your time in the shower, paying attention to every nook and cranny. A thorough and mindful shower not only cleanses your body but also sets the tone for the day ahead. Invest in quality tools. Upgrade your shower routine by investing in high-quality tools. A good loofah or a natural bristle brush exfoliates your skin, promoting circulation and leaving it looking healthier. These small additions to your routine make a significant impact on your overall grooming. Post-shower rituals. Extend the grooming experience beyond the shower. Follows that the effects of your shower routine last throughout the day, contributing to a polished appearance. Gentlemen, welcome to the piece de resistance of our grooming journey, perfumes. It's not just about any scent, it's about capturing the right notes that resonate with old money elegance. Think sandalwood, leather, and tobacco, fragrances that stand the test of time. Today, I'll share my personal recommendations that, while not traditionally synonymous with old money, fit the style like a glove. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is a keynote for an enduring and sophisticated fragrance. It's warm, woody, and exudes a subtle richness that complements the refined taste of a true gentleman. Look for perfumes that showcase sandalwood as a prominent note. Leather. Leather is a classic scent that adds depth and masculinity. A touch of leather in your perfume creates an aura of timeless elegance. It's a bold choice that aligns perfectly with the old money style, conveying strength and sophistication. Tobacco. Tobacco notes bring a hint of sweetness and complexity to a fragrance. When used judiciously, it contributes to a scent that is both intriguing and distinctive. Perfumes with tobacco undertones are a sophisticated choice for those who appreciate a nuanced fragrance profile. Tom Ford's Black Orchid and Grey Vetiver. While not traditionally associated with old money, Tom Ford's Black Orchid and Grey Vetiver are my personal vouches. But wait, we're not finished yet. If you're eager to elevate your fragrance game even further, stay tuned because we're about to unveil the secrets of top-notch colognes that scream sophistication. The next segment promises to be a fragrant journey you won't want to miss. Like, subscribe, and share to stay in the loop. Now that we've covered the grooming basics, it's time to delve into the world of power-packed colognes that will truly elevate your scent game. Creed Aventus, a true icon in the fragrance world. Creed Aventus combines fruity and smoky notes to create a scent that's both bold and refined. It's a statement fragrance that exudes confidence and sophistication. Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage is a modern classic with a fresh and spicy profile. Its versatility makes it suitable for any occasion, making it a staple in the collection of many discerning gentlemen. Chanel Bleu de Chanel is a timeless fragrance that strikes a perfect balance between citrus freshness and woody depth. It's a versatile choice that transitions seamlessly from day to night. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to smelling like old money. If you enjoyed this video and found the cologne recommendations helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow enthusiasts. Remember, sophistication is an art, and we're here to help you master it. Stay classy, stay fragrant, and I'll catch you in the next one.